This is a demonstration of the Tesla Autopilot in very bad rain road conditions. The lines in the road are even hard to see while driving, and the Tesla cameras, you'll see, have trouble detecting the lines in the road. They appear and disappear from time to time. In a minute, I think you'll see, you saw a flash of the autopilot. It allows you to engage it every once in a while. Notice the cruise control I was able to engage. Now this is on a highway that I'm always able to engage the autopilot, but in these bad road conditions, the system does not allow you to engage it. Now in a minute we're going to get into a local road, and on this small local road with the same weather conditions, I was not even able to engage the cruise control, but on the highway here, for whatever reason, it did allow me to engage the cruise control. Now I'm on a local road, and it's pretty bad conditions, and I tried to engage the cruise control. So every time I try to engage the cruise control, it pops up with a warning, reduced front camera visibility, unable to engage the cruise control.